Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a spooktacular balloon garland in minutes using Dollar Tree balloons. You will need an electric balloon pump, nylon string or fishing wire, Dollar Tree balloons in orange pumpkin patterns and marble patterns, balloon strip, net cloth, and a blue balloon banner. First, blow up your balloons individually using an electric balloon pump. Blow up as many balloons as you need for your balloon strip. To keep it simple, my balloons here are all one size balloons. Second, take your balloon strip and start inserting the neck of the balloon into the individual hole like so. Make sure that the notch on the balloon passes through the hole. This is how it looks like. Third, continue with the same process of inserting the neck of the balloon into each hole and alternating the sides as you go along. Probably the most tedious part of making the balloon garland with the balloon strip is inserting each balloon into the balloon strip. But it is very simple and easy to do. It just takes some time to complete it. You know, kids love balloons, and balloons are actually a very quick and cost-effective way to make a room festive. During the process of making this balloon garland, my little one naturally gravitated towards the bright orange balloons and wanted to play with it and take part in the process of making the balloon garland. Take a look at how fast it is already transforming my space with this balloon garland. So far, we have not done any complicated steps, and if you have been following my channel, you know that I'm all about the quick and easy DIYs. So definitely do not be afraid to try and make your own balloon garland. Here you go, here is my little one again. Other options you can do is to have a variety of sizes of the balloons for your balloon garland. This will create some more depth and character to it. What I'm planning to do here is to create a balloon garland as a backdrop for me to take my children's Halloween picture. To make it easier for my little one, my idea is to have both my kids seated in front of my balloon garland backdrop. So here I am just setting up the balloons in my kitchen using the kitchen drawer handles to hold the balloons up. Simply loop the nylon string through the handle and around the necks of few of the balloons at the back and knot it. Next, adjust the top right portion of your garland. Here I was deciding whether to tie the string to the handle or the fruit stand. I've decided to use the fruit stand like so. Here it is. This is how it looks so far. Not bad at all. Now go ahead and adjust your balloon. Perhaps twist the balloons gently to display the pattern, or switch out the balloons that you would like to be on the front of your garland. Lastly, use the creepy net to cover the drawers and to give it a spooky effect. Use your kitchen drawers to hold the net in place. Display your balloon banner and pumpkin. Voila! Here is your quick and easy, spectacular balloon garland in minutes using Dollar Tree items. How wonderful it turned out. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my quick and easy DIY Halloween decorations tutorials. You will be glad that you did. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye and take care.